Hi, I'm Eddie Crane, owner at the Drop Bar and Bistro in Martini Corner in Union Hill. We're at 31st and Oak Street. Today, we're going to talk about edible cocktails. We're going to show you kind of what we do here at the Drop, and then some of the ideas we've played with, like things with liquid nitrogen and other surprises. So. All right, since this is an edible cocktail, what we'll do is actually make the cocktail as it would be served, and then we'll go through a process to solidify it. So for chocolate martini, it tends to be equal parts chocolate liqueur, vanilla vodka, and a little Bailey's on top of that. So there's no ice in there. We'll give it a little shake just to mix up the flavors. And then we'll transfer it over into a squeeze bottle. Now we have our cocktail in the container that we'll apply it out of. We take our liquid nitrogen. Careful, this is extremely, I don't recommend doing this at home. It's extremely cold. I treat it with the same way I would boiling oil or super hot cooking grease. What it is just a liquefied version of nitrogen gas. So I use a strainer in there because that's how I remove it out. I'll actually drip the martini in there to make the small drops, but you don't want them to clump together. So I'll keep it moving all the time so it keeps the drops from forming together. So I get tiny little Dippin' Dot drops as opposed to large ice cream chunks. Take a look at it. So as you can see, it's solidified the chocolate martini into to a solid form. I have a smaller bowl, and kind of through that friction I made more like Pop Rock size, but you can see some of the drops stay a little larger right there. So there it is, it's done in a frozen form. So as you can see, it's already started to melt down a bit, stir it up a bit, and to bring the temperature down a little, or up a little I guess I should say. And enjoy it. So this is one of the many things we do here at the Drop, is make these edible cocktails. These are available 7 days a week whenever we're open. Stop by any time. We're at the corner of 31st and Oak in Martini Corner, the Drop Bar and Bistro, and come try one for yourself.